आज आपण घेणार आहोत नेक्स्ट इनडिटर्मिनेट फॉर्म इन्फिनिटी अपॉन इन्फिनिटी. फर्स्ट example, evaluate limit x tends to infinity x raised to 5 by 2 upon e raised to x. So consider the list limit x tends to infinity x raised to 5 by 2 upon e raised to x. If you put x is equal to infinity here, so infinity raised to 5 by 2 is infinity. So numerator is infinity. If you put x is equal to infinity in denominator, then we get e raised to infinity is infinity. So we get infinity upon infinity form. Okay. Now we have to use L hospital rule. So take the derivative of numerator. Numeratorचा derivative काय मिळेल? It is of the type x raised to n. X raised to n चा derivative काय असतो? n raised to n minus 2. So n is nothing but here 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 raised to x raised to 5 by 2 minus 1. 5 by 2 minus 1 is 3 by 2. So 5 by 2 into x raised to 3 by 2 upon derivative of e raised to x. E raised to x derivative e raised to x. Again put x is equal to infinity here. If you put x is equal to infinity, then infinity raised to 3 by 2 is infinity. So we get here infinity in numerator, again infinity in denominators, again we get infinity upon infinity form. So again take the derivative of numerator. Numerator derivative 5 by 2 into 3 by 2. x raised to 3 by 2 चा derivative काय मिळेल? 3 by 2 into x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 half. So 5 by 2 into 3 by 2 काय मिळेल? 5 by 2 into 3 by 2. 5 by 2 3 15 by 4 into x raised to 1 half upon e raised to x. Again, if we put x is equal to infinity, then we get numerator is infinity, denominator is infinity. So infinity upon infinity form. Now again take the derivative of x raised to 1 half. X raised to 1 half derivative 1 half into x raised to 1 half minus 1. 1 half minus 1 is nothing but x raised to minus 1 half. So we get 15 by 8 into x raised to minus 1 half upon e raised to x. So x raised to minus 1 half minus असल्यामुळे तो denominator मध्ये जाईल. X raised to 1 half, that is the root x into e raised to x. So 15 by 8 upon root x up into e raised to x. Now we put x is equal to infinity here. जर आपण इन्फिनिटी टाकलं तर न्यूमरेटर हा होत आहे 15 by 8. डिनॉमिनेटर इज इन्फिनिटी. सो 15 by 8 by इन्फिनिटी. आणि कुठल्याही नंबरला जर इन्फिनिटी डिवाइड केलं, कुठल्याही फायनाईट नंबरला जर इन्फिनिटी डिवाइड केलं तर आन्सर काय मिळतं? 0. So 15 by 8 by infinity is nothing but 0. And this is the answer of this limit. Now example 2. Log of sine 2x upon log sine x. So we can apply here L hospital rule. Log of sine 2x. Sine 0 is sine 0 is 0. So log of 0 is infinity. Log of 0 is infinity. So we get log infinity upon infinity form. So take the derivative of log sine 2x. Log चा derivative 1 upon sine 2x. So 1 upon sine x and sine 2x चा derivative 2 sine 2 cos 2x. So 2 cos 2x upon sine 2x. Again here log चा derivative 1 upon sin x into sin चा derivative cos x. So cos x upon sin x. So cos 2x upon sin 2x is cot 2x upon cot x. 2 cot 2x upon cot x. Again cot 0 is infinity. So again we get infinity upon infinity. Take the derivative of cot 2x. Cot 2x चा derivative we can take 1 upon cot x is nothing but tan x. So here we can uh, take the reciprocal of this to tan x upon tan 2x, because 1 upon cot x is nothing but tan x. So here we get 0 upon 0 form. Tan x are derivative sec square x, tan 2x are derivative 2 sec square 2x, 2 gets cancelled, sec square x upon again sec 0 is 1. So 1 upon 1 and 2 gets cancelled. So answer is 1. Now next the example, evaluate x tends to pi by 2 log of x minus pi by 2 upon tan x. जर आपण x is equal to pi by 2 टाकलं तर pi by 2 minus pi by 2 0. Log 0 is infinity. Tan pi by 2 is infinity. So we get infinity upon infinity form. So take the derivative of numerator. Numerator is derivative 1 upon log 1 upon log x derivative 1 upon x. So 1 upon 1 minus x pi by 2 आणि tan x derivative sec square x. पुन्हा टाका x is equal to pi by 2 1 upon pi by 2 minus pi by 2 1 upon 0 is infinity. Numerator infinity झाला आणि sec pi by 2 is infinity. So infinity upon infinity we get infinity upon infinity फॉर्म. त्याला आपण 0.0 फॉर्म मध्ये करू शकतो. 1 upon sec x is nothing but cos x, म्हणजेच वरती जाताना तो cos square x होईल आणि या खाली येताना x minus pi by 2 होईल. हा झाला 0.0 फॉर्म. आता 0.0 फॉर्म झाला. पुन्हा एल हॉस्पिटल रूल वापरा. cos square x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 2 cos x आणि cos x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह minus sin x. सो न्यूमरेटर गेट्स minus 2 cos x sin x आणि याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 pi by 2 चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 0. सो 1 minus 0 that is 1. आता न्यूमरेटर 1 झाल्यामुळे डायरेक्टली व्हॅल्यू टाका pi by 2. सो cos pi by 2 is 0. So we get numerator is 0. So 0 upon 1 is 0. So answer of this limit is 0. In the next lecture, we seen the indeterminate form of the type 0 into infinity. Okay. Thank you.